An easy way to install Windows F.
Установки ffmpeg Windows.
At the same time, it is possible to have several versions of the FEMF, so as not to give any links in the search for the F. It gives you a website.
Чтоб не давать никаких ссылок в поиске ffmpeg, он вам выдает сайтик.
Here it is.
Download.
Well, of course, Windows. I like this address better.
Вот этот адрес.
And he immediately gives us the transition to download.
Переход на скачивание.
You can deploy it here quite simply.
И здесь достаточно просто.
The master is what is in the master. The fifth version goes on and, on 4, what is Linux from Windows, then GPL, LGPL, HAR.
Вот Windows. Дальше GPL, LGPL, HAR.
You don't need SCAR at all, there are additional files there. But read the ELG. GPL, what is it? Well, or is it SCAR? What's there? Pizza here. Scroll down. And translate naturally. And here we see the designation. What is it? Go back, you come here and download what we need. Let's say there's a 7th, a 6th. Here, and download the 6th theme for Windows. This is it. Click, he went to download. Similarly, we take the 7th one. For what it is necessary, let's say, I'll show you now. A new version is coming out, and it has new filters. Well, these filters are not always needed, but it's interesting to see. And so you can, if you say you have already written a bunch of bitniki, and enter to change. You can, of course, put a replacement machine. Well, like, why? So, somehow we continue the installation. Now we need to set the path. The wrong one. Here, changing the system environment variable. Well, click. Here it appears. The same can be done through my computer. Properties. Properties of the system will open. Environment variables. Path. Change it. Here. Here I have it registered here at this address. Let's say, just create and paste the address there. Press OK, and that's it. If we, say, do not have a command line on the launch panel, we can write kmd through start or search. I wrote it, but not that. Here, the command line. Click, it opens, or, if there is one on the panel, open it. There is also an option to write kmd directly from the Explorer in the line. And it will open exactly this folder already on the command line. And then, of course, we check the show. We have such. So, but if, say, we want several versions, so I stick to it, I'm just rushing the version, there's say the 7th, so FEMF is 7. Well, that is, let's say you take it there, download what versions you are interested in. You can just download it from the last one. Go to the bin folder, and you will have 3 files here. It will all look like this. You just rename to what you remember naturally.
На то, что вы запомните, естественно.
Here are 3 such files. You copy them or, well, I immediately rename them to the version I need. For there are 44, and I put it in the folder that I prescribed in the path parameters.
Кладу в ту папку, которую я прописал в параметре path.
Well, here I have, let's say, the 7th version. There is the 5th, 6th, and so on.
И так далее.
And if I say I score now, he will give me the 7th version.
Он мне выдаст седьмую версию.
And if I score, say, the 5th,
Пятую.
and he will give me a 5th. This way, I can change the versions in MP, and without any problems.
Без каких-либо проблем.
Here I have this path spelled out in the path.
Записан в пути path.
I throw off all the options that I download here.
Скачиваем.
And then from the bin folder.
С папки bin.
Let's move it now.
Переместим.
That's about how it all looks like.
Так это все выглядит.
There are 3 files in the bin folder. F is what it does.
То, что делает ffmpeg.
This is what the player and tryouts view the parameters for.
Посмотреть параметры.
The easiest way. The only thing that won't work here is the various filters that are there, if you have an NVIDIA card. Then what the ENP is going to be there will not be there.
Не будут там то, что собирается. НПП.
Well, Indian filters.
Индийские фильтры.
Carpin. Since there it is necessary to collect with any ENP.
НПП.
And to do this, you need to download various ones there. You need to add that, of course, you must have all the drivers. Video cards are already installed.
Драйвера, видеокарты уже установлены.
If you want to convert or do something on a video card,
Конвертировать или делать что-то на видеокарточке.
the main drivers should all be installed.
Быть установлен.
Let's say, here we have we can on VAPI, we don't have, and there is no.
Вот у нас мы можем на UDA, VAPI у нас нету, и QSV нету, и этого нету.
There is a volcano, we can stop the drivers in the form of.
Индийские
There is an open.
есть.
Well, this assembly was created, most likely, by Linus.
По Linux.
If it's the same, well, there's already an assembly with a different option.
Ну, тут уже сборка с другим вариантом.
There are some missing there.
Некоторых.
Well, if you are going to use it all, a video card, then, of course, you need to install all the drivers.